Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to fix Judge.me reviews not showing on Shopify, common causes solved. If you've ever faced the issue where the reviews or the write a review button are mysteriously missing from your Shopify product pages, you're not alone. This can be frustrating, especially when you know that the reviews exist in Judge.me but they simply aren't visible. The main culprit often lies in a setting called Web Reviews Restriction. This setting determines who can see and write reviews directly on your storefront. If this is set too restrictively, your reviews may seem to disappear. But don't worry, because today, we'll walk you through how to adjust this setting so your reviews can shine brightly on your product pages. Let's dive right into the steps to solve this common problem. First, you'll need to access your Judge.me admin panel. Once you're there, navigate to the Settings section. This is where you can manage all sorts of configurations for your reviews. Next, you'll want to open the Publishing and Moderation settings. Here, you will scroll down until you locate the Web Reviews Restriction option. This is the key setting that controls the visibility of your reviews. Now, let's take a closer look at what this setting might be configured to. If it's set to only verified buyers or only email recipients, this means that the ability to see and write reviews is limited to a specific group. Verified buyers are those whose orders match the review, while email recipients are those who have received a review request email from Judge.me. This is useful if you want to maintain strong authenticity, ensuring that reviews come from genuine customers. However, this can also lead to confusion and limit visibility if your aim is to showcase reviews to all visitors, including casual shoppers who haven't made a purchase yet. If you want your reviews to be visible to everyone and allow anyone to submit feedback on your site, you'll need to change the Web Reviews restriction to No Restrictions. This setting will allow the Write a Review button to appear for all visitors, and display eligible reviews to everyone, not just those who have purchased or received an email. Making this change is a simple yet effective way to solve most issues of missing reviews. However, it's important to consider the trade-offs. Restricting visibility to verified buyers or email recipients reduces spam and enhances authenticity signals. On the flip side, opting for no restrictions maximizes the visibility of your reviews, thus increasing social proof and potentially boosting conversions on your storefront. This is particularly beneficial if you're just starting out or have a lighter volume of reviews. Even with no restrictions selected, you can still maintain control over what gets displayed by using Judge.me's moderation tools. These tools allow you to approve, reject, or request edits to reviews, ensuring that quality remains high. Once you've made your preferred adjustments to the Web Reviews restriction, your product pages should promptly display the Write a Review button and the reviews you expect to see. And there you have it. By aligning this single setting with your overall review strategy, you'll not only restore the visibility of your Judge.me reviews on Shopify but also provide the social proof that shoppers are looking for. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to fix Judge.me reviews not showing on Shopify, common causes solved. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online and never miss an update.